Hi, this is Dylan from The Lifestyle Trader. Today is the 2nd of November 2016 and time is 3:04 p.m. in Singapore. So welcome to my 10 minutes the 10 minutes trade idea video. All right. Okay, so what I have here right now at this point of time is I have a few trading ideas right away. And the first one is the dollar against the Swiss franc. So let me go into the bigger time frame. Now, in day one chart, we had right now the price is within one of my key resistance zone. As you can see, this is the zone. I take this as the resistance. This has the support and resistance level. All right, so this whole thing is a zone for me, and you can see that the price is kind of exhausted and consolidating within that resistance zone. So what happened into the smaller time frame is that in the 15-minute chart, we have seen that the price has fallen all the way and break below the previous swing low right here. So that tells me that the price may continues to fall after a significant retracement, which has happened right now. And honestly, right now I'm just sorry, this is the 5-minute chart. I'll go to 15-minute chart so you can see the clearer. We can see that that is already a reverse candle that's happening right here, a bearish candle followed by a bearish candle that's coming down right now. In fact, if you're watching the video right away, then you can possibly consider shorting. It is now staying resisted at 78.6% of the Fibonacci retracement level. There's one wave of retracement, second wave has completed. So this is pretty much a valid one. And of course, if you want to be more safe, then you can always wait for the retest, or you can short, you can sell with half risk, then probably wait for retracement again to go for another half risk. So that's just some of the consideration. So with the dollar against the Swiss franc, of course, on the flip side, we have the euro against the US dollar. So similarly, the same thing is pretty much happening right now. In the day chart, we can see that the price is already reaching I would say the major support zone. All right, the major support zone somewhere, yes, right here to this area. This whole thing is a zone, but of course the only difference with the dollar against the Swiss franc is that it did not really touch us it, but into the smaller time frame we can see that there is some significant rebound off here. And if you look at the structure right here, it does suggest that the price may continue to appreciate a little bit further. Now overall I am actually seeing that euro against US dollar can still continue to trade lower from here. So but before that happens, I still believe that there's going to be more retracement coming. Okay, so if you look at the 15-minute chart, you can see that it was kind of exhausted, came up and went all the way high, breaking above the previous swing high right here. That signals that the price may appreciate further, and it came out again, all right, but at the same level, closed slightly higher, and it has formed a retracement channel. And right now this seeing supported at retracement level 61.8%. So that is another opportunity for us to go for the buy. And so that's it. That's the thing. All right. And a quick recap for the retracement channel is that if you were to buy here, in any case, whether it is 61.8%, 70.6%, or 80.6%, you will have to at least set 20 pips. Set a stop loss at least 20 pips below the retracement level of 88.6%. All right, that is one. Secondly, is that you may consider taking the retracement, the wave of retracement, and project another third wave of retracement somewhere right here. All right, and then you add another 20 pips. That's alternatively. All right, but minimally I would suggest that at least 20 pips below 88.6%. If the third retracement, or rather a third probable retracement, doesn't show anything lower than 88.6, then you should use 88.6 instead. All right, so there's more buffer. So that's for euro against US dollar. And let's take a look at dollar against the Japanese yen. I am waiting for a very potential reversal or at least a very potential major retracement right here. Why? Because we have seen that the price has rallied extensively. It is right now seeing resisted in another major resistance zone. There's a lot of support, a lot of resistance right here that forms a major resistance zone, and the price is now within the zone. Okay, or I would say it is at the beginning of the zone. So I do expect that the price will appreciate a bit more further into the zone. All right, and what's happening right now is that the price is already forming a butterfly. So you can see there's already a first wave of a probable reversal. All right, it is determined as the first wave of reversal because it has came all the way down, break below the previous swing low here. So this is a valid one, and then right now I'm just waiting for retracement. One retracement has gone, the second one is happening right now. Now, if we see that the price got resisted at 78.6%, somewhere at the current price, and it starts to fall, there is a possibility that the price will continue to fall this way. All right, but if it continues to break above, then of course we'll look at the butterfly pattern to trade a reversal market, and we will and I shall wait for the price to complete the butterfly at 127.2% of the Fibonacci retracement level. Then I'll go for a sell. So it really depends on what's going to happen right here. I believe we'll have to put this trade on hold till the night time, and we'll see a clearer direction later on. So that's for dollar against the Japanese yen. And let's talk about another yen pair. That will be euro against the Japanese yen. Now, euro against the Japanese yen, clearly it is seen reaching the major resistance zone. All right, for our chart, all right, it is within, very exhausted. And then into the 1 hourly chart, I was expecting a butterfly because just right before it enters the zone, there is a attempt to reverse, right? Came up, and it started to retrace once, twice, and actually it started to fall a little bit here, but at the same level, and it goes up further, and it is now hovering around the 127.2%. So this is a completion of a butterfly, completion of a butterfly. One time, two time, third time resisted. We're going to see what's going to happen right here. Now, I do believe there might be a second butterfly that's forming. What do I mean? If I take away this Fibonacci retracement, okay. Now, in the 15-minute chart, we've seen that the price came all the way down, break below the previous swing low. So this could be a second probable reversal. So if we measure from here to the bottom, okay, we are waiting for the price to appreciate all the way to the 127.2% retracement level. Then we'll look for the sell. So if I were to plot a butterfly right here, it's going to look something like this. All right, so this is something that most of you might be seeing for the first time. Sometimes we can have two butterfly forming at the same, on the same page, then it will start to fall. All right, so this is something for you to know, for you to take note. A third butterfly so far I've not seen before. So, but in any case, it really depends on where is the price. So right now is the most crucial one because it is now within the resistance zone, and if it were to complete this butterfly, it's going to be completed at 127.2% at the top of the resistance zone. So this is the key one. Now I'm waiting for the price to just, it has already made one retracement, waiting for it to make a second retracement and completes at 127.2%. That will give me the cue to go for a sell to trade at reversal markets. So that is for the euro against the yen. And Kiwi dollar, I'll give a very quick one. The price is already seen supported at the bottom of a major rising channel, and it has already begun rebounding off. Now I'm running out short of time, so I'm going to tell you that the rebound has took place, break above the previous swing high. Now it's making retracement again. Same thing, wait for retracement channel, and then you look for an opportunity to buy. Okay, so time is going to be up very soon, so I will finish my video right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.